What's up guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to filter Sora from ChatGPT. So if you're currently exploring the Sora right here guys and you realize that some of these are videos and some are pictures, you can filter between the two if you only want to focus on one or the other. So let's say I want to focus on only videos. Just go ahead and click the filter icon on the upper right hand side and simply choose videos. And that's going to filter only videos, and I can easily scroll through videos and videos to find something that I want to see. If you want to do it for a picture, it is the same. All you have to do guys is just simple go ahead and filter pictures. So click on the filter option again, select images this time, and from there you want to go ahead and ensure that you uncheck the videos. Once you uncheck the videos, you will only see pictures, and that's going to allow you to quickly scroll through and look at various kinds of images. And that's it guys, that's how to go ahead and filter on Sora AI.